think I got something. Got something small. Baby. Oh, there you go. Nice flatty. Oh, look at that. Nice little flatty. Beautiful. On the bloodworm. Just trying to release him. There we go. Baby. It's only a baby. Just a baby. Okay. There we go. You just got to watch this guy. He's got a bit of a spike on him. There he is. There we go, buddy. Release you now. There we go. There we go. Nice little flatty. See if we can catch more. That's one for the day. One for the day. And we're going to let him go. All right, buddy. Off you go. There we go. That was nice.